What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Solana, currently sitting at 137, up 2.4 on the day. Market cap 63 billion, 24 hour volume 2.86 billion. So we're stuck in this channel, ABC down into WXY. Within that wave X to Y, there's an ABC. So what you can look at here is you came down in a wave A, that's your wave B, coming down in the wave C, which is a 5-wave move. Usually what would happen is you'd come down and you would break the low of the wave W, but it doesn't have to. If we do end up breaking out of this channel, we see a nice retest, continuation, we start to break key levels of resistance, like right here. As you can see, multiple levels of support, and we also hit it as resistance. Start to break above that, then you can look at a bullish scenario. But until then, we can easily get rejected here, or simply come up to the trend line once more, get rejected, come back down, and you would watch in between about 110 to about 118, but you would normally break below that wave W. So it could come down to about 110 to about 115 before a bounce to the upside. But if we do see a significant bounce out of that channel, we push up, we break 161, then you could definitely flip bullish. But until then, we have to look at it for what it is. And I think there's a decent chance you come down to that support zone. Taking a look at the daily chart, as you can see, we also have a bit of a double top on the daily. Do I think we'll break that neckline and just sink down? No, I don't. I think there's a good chance we're just retesting this level of support before continuation. So we have a bear market low, beautiful wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. Wave 3 target is up here at 262. And then you'd pull back, and that would break you above the previous all-time high. You pull back in a wave 4, push up in a wave 5. That could take you up towards about 300, 350, heading towards 400 for our friend Solana. And that's what I'm looking at. In the meantime, we can push this up a little bit. That wave 3 target would be about 269. But in the short term, we're just simply going through a correction. Wave C has 5 waves. So right now, there's your wave 1 down. That's a wave 2 pullback. All of this could be the wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and then see continuation to the upside. Unless we can come up and break 161, then we definitely have a reason to we would definitely have a reason to flip bullish if that resistance is broken. But until then, we can easily still be correcting down to the support zone before we bounce back to the upside. That's it for this one. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. You get 10% back on every single trade on your fees when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments. Make your first deposit, can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. And send me an email, I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my analysis, my exact trade setups, as well as Forex signals, which I'm giving on a regular basis. Trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. If you don't want to go the BITUNIX route, you can sign up through the Patreon, $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.